Good morning, children. Today we will see the graphical representation of the frequency distribution for ungrouped data. First, pie chart or pie diagram. See the given diagram. A pie chart is a circular graph which shows the total value with its components. Here, colors are given: pink, red, blue, green and yellow. Pink 30%, red 20%, blue 25%, green 15%, yellow 10%. This is one example for pie chart. Next one, in pie chart, the central angle of a component will be calculated by using this formula: value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. If the value of the components are expressed in percentage, then the central angle of the component is equal to percentage value of the component divided by 100 into 360 degree. Both the formula are same only. So the first formula, you see, the central angle of a component equal to value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. If they given in percentage, means the total value will be 100. That only will be the change. Okay. Next one. Steps for construction of the pie chart. First one. Calculate the central angle for each component using the above formula and tabulate it. Then draw a circle of convenient radius and mark one horizontal radius in it. Then draw radius making central angle of first component with horizontal radius. This sector represents the first component. From this radius, draw next radius with central angle of the second component and so on until the completion of all components. Fourth one, for identification of each sector, shade with different colors. And the last one, label each sector. Next, we will see one example 6.4. Draw a pie diagram to represent the following data, which shows the expenditure of paddy cultivation in 2 acres of land. Particulars: seeds. Expenses 2000 rupees. Fluffing 6000 rupees. Wages 10,000 rupees. Fertilizer 7,000 rupees. Harvest 8,000 rupees and others 3,000 rupees. Also, find the percentage of the head in which more money had been spent. Then, what percentage of money was spent for seeds? We will see the answers. First, we will find the central angle. Seeds. They given to 2000 and the total value is what? 36,000 into 360 degree. So 360 and 36,000 you will cancel easily. So it will give 100. Then after 2000 divided by the remaining 100, it will get 20. So the central angle for seeds equal to 20 degree. And then fluff. They given the value of the fluff is equal to 6,000 and by total value 36,000 into 360 degree is equal to 60 degree. Then coolie, that is wages, they given 10,000 divided by 36,000 into 360 degree. It will give 100 degree. Then for fertilizer, 7,000 by 36,000 into 360 degree, it will give 70 degree. Then harvesting, 8,000 divided by 36,000 into 360 degree is equal to 80 degree. Then for others, 3,000 divided by 36,000 into 360 degree will give 30 degree. So total angles, 20 degree plus 60 degree, 80 degree, plus 100 degree, 180 degree, plus 70 degree, 250 degree, plus 80 degree, 330 degree, plus 30 degree will give 360 degree. So our answer is correct. Next one, we will construct the pie chart. See the given diagram. First you have to draw a circle, then you draw a horizontal radius, Then using protractor you make angle 20 degree. So from that line and also using protractor you find 60 degree. Then next one 100 degree, after 70 degree, after 80 degree, and the remaining will be equal to 30 degree. So for verification you should color. Okay, each color you can use, and then you write the what color represent what field. Okay, then they are asking, the first question is find the percentage of the head in which more money had been spent. What is the question? Find the percentage of the head in which more money had been spent. In which more money spent? 10,000 for wages. So 10,000 by 36,000 total value into 100. So it will give 27.7%. Then second question, what percentage of money was spent for seats? Rupees 2,000 was spent for seats. So percentage 2,000 by total value 36,000 into 100%. So it will give 5.55%. Next one, example 6.5. Draw a suitable pie chart for the following data relating to the cost of construction of a house. Particulars and expenses given. Bricks 10%, steel 15%, cement 25%, timber 10%, labor 20%, others 20%. Also, find how much was spent on labor if rupees 55,000 was spent for cement. So first we will see the central angle. They are given in percentage. So the total value you have to take as 100 only. Bricks 10 by 100 into 360 degree is equal to 36 degree. 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled. So remaining 36 degree. Next one. Steel 15 by 100 into 360 degree is equal to gives 54 degree. Next is cement 25 by 100 into 360 degree. It will give 90 degree. Timber 10 by 100 into 360 degree is equal to 36 degree. Labor 20 by 100 into 360 degree is equal to 72 degree. Others 20 by 100 into 360 degree is equal to 72 degree. When we added all the central angle, we will get 360 degree. Next we will construct the pie chart. First you have to draw a circle, make a horizontal radius. Using protractor at the center, make an angle 36 degree first. Then using that radius you make another angle 54 degree. Then using that radius you can make another angle 90 degree. And using that radius you can make 36 degree. Then using that radius you can take 72 degree, and the remaining will be the balance 72 degree. And you can use different colors for different field. And then write like this, each color represent which field. Okay. Then the question is, how much was spent on labor if 55,000 was spent for cement? They given 55,000 spent for cement. That means expense on labor will be calculated by using this 20 by 25 into 55,000. So when we cancelling, we will get rupees 44,000. So the expense on labor is equal to 44,000. Okay children, revise this. If you have any doubt means ask with the concerned teachers. Thank you.